Approaching the grassy hill of לכיש in the Judean lowlands, one is surrounded by verdant vineyards, which hide a monumental biblical event that took place here. The enormous Tel, second only to Jerusalem in size, was captured by the famous king of Assyria, Sennacherib. King Hezekiah of Judah defied him, as recounted by the prophet Isaiah and the book of 2 Kings. The Assyrian army besieged this prize, and the siege ramp they built to conquer לכיש predates the one at Masada by almost 800 years. Over the years, the site has improved, but a new visitor center recently opened to the public. The Israel Antiquities Authority did a superb job reconstructing the Tel using signage to mark the key locations. During my first academic visit here in 1981, the Tel was rough, disorienting, and the paths nearly impassable. In the palace courtyard, the modern curators erected chairs representing the kings of Judah, chronologically arranged. Assyrian King Sennacherib launched a huge campaign capturing all the major cities of Judah. He was so proud of his conquest of לכיש that he erected a detailed relief of the entire battle scene at his palace in Nineveh. לכיש is a rare intersection of a threefold record of the battle through the biblical text, art, and archaeology. The war machines of the siege ramp and the deportation of the local people were so accurately and graphically depicted. But when Sennacherib's army surrounded Jerusalem, he did not succeed. Hezekiah had already fortified Jerusalem and the city of David, enclosing the water system within the city wall. Constructed at the same time לכיש was besieged, Hezekiah blocked the upper conduit of the Gihon Spring to the west side of the city. His engineers hand-carved through the rock from two directions, joining the tunnel in the middle using soundings. Sennacherib's field commander Rabshakeh taunted the Jewish leaders guarding the city wall using the Hebrew language. It must have taken place here in the Kidron Valley on the way to the junction of the Hinnom Valley just below. The original לכיש relief is housed at the British Museum, but here at the Tel, they created a rare, life-size copy to enjoy at the visitor center. In times of war, the water source was crucial for survival during the campaign. Making my way to the siege ramp, I noticed that the Assyrians purposely avoided the main city gate for their onslaught. The rock debris of the ramp itself is still clearly visible, both from above and from below. While this was going on, Sennacherib situated himself in the Assyrian camp opposite the ramp, which is now inhabited by the modern moshav of לכיש. The deportation of all these souls paraded before him is outlined in Sennacherib's prism. It's no wonder that the prophet Jonah refused to prophesy God's mercy to Nineveh after their cruelties to his own people. As I tread over the ancient stones where others built, walked, destroyed, then were carried away, I often get a strange sensation of crossing a multidimensional threshold of time. So much has changed here, yet so much remains the same,